Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good.
Good. Are we ready to do some math?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, let's put our power hats on. All right, all ready to go. Okay, so now we can get started. Also, don't forget to get out your math journals. We always need those, right? So we can always look back later at what we've learned. And now, let's see. Now let's get started. First, get out your newly learned measuring tool, which is what?
The ruler.
The ruler, yay! Remember that this whole week that we've been learning about rulers, and we've been learning about measuring the inch. First, we started out with 1-inch cubes, if you remember, and then we moved on to actually using our ruler, right? Okay, now let's review how we use the ruler. Where do we always start our measurement from?
The first
line.
That's right. We always start at the first line, or we can also start at the 0 if your ruler happens to have that, right? But most rulers don't, so we'll start at the first line. Okay, that's correct. Now, which side are we working with on this ruler?
We're working with the side that says inch on the top.
That's right. We're working with the side that says inch. We're working with the side that says inch. Now, if you remember, all of the markings on a ruler are very important. But right now, the first thing we're learning is closest to the inch. Okay? All right. So now, let's just kind of review what we've done this week. If you remember, here we are. Miss Carson, are you paying attention? Oh, good. I just was making sure. Okay. So if we measure this green line here,
I know what it measures.
what does that measure to?
It's about 6 inches.
Okay, it's about 6, or a little bit less than 6, right?
So a half.
Oh, but wait, no. Is it almost 6?
Almost 5.
It's almost 5.
Yeah,
So how many inches is that?
5.
We're going to say it's 5. We're going to go with 5 inches. Okay? Now, let's try again. On the red mark, what do we have?
About 9 inches.
Almost 9 inches. That's right. Not quite 9, but we're going to say almost 9 inches. Okay, very good. So now, as you can see, we are going to measure closest to the inch, right? Isn't that what we've been doing so far? Okay. So next, what we're going to work on is our topic for today. And our topic for today is measuring inches to feet. Because why do you think we have different types of measurements?
Because some things are too long to measure in inches.
That's right. Sometimes things are just too long to measure in inches. Like if you were to measure how tall I am or how tall each of you are,
We would have to measure in feet.
probably feet, because feet is bigger. If we measured in inches, what would happen? We'd be here what? All day going 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way up. I'm like close to 6 foot tall.
That'd be a lot.
That'd be a lot of inches, wouldn't it? So we're going to learn about feet. And now look at our ruler. Everyone pick up their ruler. Okay? Now, looking at your inches on your ruler, how many total inches are there on your ruler?
12.
12. And every foot has 12 inches. So that ruler means 1 foot. Okay? So I'm going to measure 12 inches equals 1 foot. Okay? All right. So now,
Can we copy that in our journals?
yes, you can. Thank you. That's very important. So now, how many inches are in every foot?
And how many inches?
How many inches in 1 foot?
12.
12, that's right. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So now we know that there are 12 inches in 1 foot. So now we're going to try, I'm going to demonstrate for you how to measure this string with our ruler.
But how are we going to do that? It's too long.
It's too long.
It's too long, that's right. So we have to figure out how we can do this. Can everybody get out their handy dandy little marker?
Got it.
Our measure marker. These are very special. And we should not share these with our friends. We have to keep them very special and not lose them, right?
Right.
Okay. So what do you think we do? What did we do when we started measuring last time? When we measured inches, where did we start?
At the very beginning.
At the very beginning. What line did we start on?
The very first one.
That's right, the first mark. That's right. And then where do you think I would stick my handy dandy marker?
In the middle?
Oh, you think in the middle?
No.
At the end?
At the end. That's right. We put our marker down at the end of the foot, right?
Right.
Okay, and then what will we do next?
Take it right from where you left.
That's right. We pick it up and we put it down again. So now we have 1 foot.
2 foot.
2 foot. What is 2 feet? That's right. We have 1 foot or 2 feet, right? That's right. Okay. Now, what do we do next? What do you think we do? Do we just keep on saying, oh, well, that's it. We're all done? No, we still have string to measure.
So you pick it up and move it.
So we pick it up and we move it again. Okay? And we moved our handy dandy marker. And so how many feet did we have all together?
3
feet.
That's right. We had 3 feet. And that's all you do. Look at how simple. Now, we're going to try another example. And I'm going to get you guys to tell me exactly what to do without me doing it. Okay? I'm going to take another piece of string. I had 2 strings. Okay. Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, tell me what to do. Yes.
Put your ruler at the very, very end of the string and put the very, very end of the ruler on it.
Very good. Okay, then what?
Then you put your marker at the end of the
Your
ruler.
handy dandy marker.
My handy dandy marker at the very end. That's right.
Then you move the ruler to where the very first line is at the end of the paper.
That's
The
right.
Handy dandy marker.
And how many feet did we have?
2 feet.
We had 2 feet. That's right. Exactly. Good job. Wow. Turn the lights off. Those power hats are lighting up the whole room. Okay.
Here's another one.
No, you have to keep that. Isn't that yours? No? Okay. All right.
Do you have one? Do you have your handy dandy?
Yep. Okay, everyone's got their handy dandy. Are you ready?